In this video, I'm going to walk through how you can automate creating Sendspark dynamic videos and sending them in emails using Clay. So the end product we're trying to create is these AI personalized videos where it looks like you're recording over someone's website and you're saying their name like this.
Hey Meta, thanks for taking a look at Sendspark. Here is a quick video to show you some of the superpowers.
I'll play one more.
Hey Kyle, thanks for taking a look at Sendspark. Here is a quick video to show you.
So you can see it's the same video. We're just using AI to change the name, and then we're using a different website background. So the idea is, how do we create these videos and send them out at the right part of the sales cycle using automation? And that's what we're going to walk through using Clay. And then just, so we're going to set this up, Clay to create the videos, Sendspark to generate the videos, and then we're going to send it out in SmartLead. For this part, you could really use any platform. I'm just going to demo in SmartLead because they have a great Clay integration and this process is smooth, but that should be easy to swap out if you use Outreach or Instantly or a different email platform. So, okay, what you can do is first in Clay, you want to create a table. And you can use any type of table for this. I'm just going to demo with a CSV because it's simple. So I'm going to upload some contacts in here and we'll just add them to a table. The fields that you want to be able to send into Sendspark are going to be like first name because you're using AI to say the name, email because we'll need this to send later, and then these fields are optional, and then background URL. So that's what we're going to show us like recording over their website. So once you have this created, you can just click on Add Enrichment and search for Sendspark, and you'll see this option to add a prospective video campaign. And this is the Clay integration. I'll walk through what each of the steps are. But basically, as you saw, like in this video here, we have all these different contacts here. So we're just going to be sending that data into Sendspark. So the first thing you want to do is just connect your Sendspark account. I already have it connected, so I can click my email from the dropdown. The first time you do this, you'll need to add your API key and your API secret. You can get this information in your Sendspark API credentials here. And this is where you'll see the API key. This is fake, so you can't, sorry, you can't just use our API key. So you can click on this to copy it to your clipboard and then paste it in for your API key. And then this next to your name is going to be your API secret. If you don't see either, just click create new key to create the API key, or this generate new secret key in order to generate the secret key. So you'll have that info and you'll just paste it into Clay. And then once it's connected, you'll be able to just click on your email. Workspace ID, just select from the drop down. It should say my workspace. And then the dynamic campaign ID, click here and you'll see all of your dynamic video campaigns here. So the one that I'm using for this is live Clay demo. So you'll click on that. And then you want to map in the fields from the Clay table into Sendspark to be able to use when you're generating the video. So you can do first name to contact name, email, company, job title, and background URL. Remember, the background URL is what it's going to look like you're recording over. So if all looks good, just click continue to add fields. You don't need to change anything here. And then you can just save and run it for the first 10 rows, or we only have 5. You'll see that it's queued, and then you'll get a confirmation when they've really been added into the dynamic video campaign. So we'll give it 1 second. And then there we go, so that's showing up. And then if we want to double check it's working on the Sendspark side of things, you can click into your dynamic video campaign and just refresh this page. And what we should see if we scroll down to the bottom is this circle spinning. And then if you click view pending videos, you should see the new people that you just added. These are the ones on that list. So you'll see that they're adding here. And the blue bar means nothing's happened yet, but once we start processing, then you'll see that. Exactly. It'll look like that. And then once they're done processing, you'll be able to see them in the completed video section here. And you can click and play the video and make sure everything's good. Okay, so this is the first half. We should be good here. What we've done, just to recap everything, is we've added our data into Clay, and we've automatically started generating the Sendspark dynamic videos. The next step is going to be to automatically send them an email. So the idea is once the videos are generated, we want to be able to send them out in email campaigns. So what we'll do now is first we're going to put the video like placeholder in email, and then we're going to automate the sending. So to put the video placeholder in email, click share campaign, and then just search for your platform. We're using Smart Lead here, so you can just click on that Smart Lead snippet for image URL and place this in the email. And this is the one I'm using. I already have it here, but I'll just add this beneath it and not save it. So you can just go to where you want the video to go and then paste it in. So now we see this. Sometimes in other email platforms, just doing that is enough. But when you paste in a Smart Lead, they actually remove the formatting. So they're removing our link. So we want to make sure that when you click on that thumbnail, people are actually going to be able to watch the video. So click on this snippet for video URL, and that copies the link to our clipboard. And then back in Smart Lead, you can just click on this and then make sure to add that hyperlink. And you can add that there. You can also, if you want to change that text, do that, and then add this hyperlink as well. So now this is all clickable, which is great. And if we want to just double check that everything's working before we send it out, I'm not going to save this. Let me just delete that really quick because we don't want that. But what you would do is go to the final review, and then you can preview this email. You can preview this email for different contacts in your list and make sure they're seeing the right videos. I had the video and email too, so let me just click on that, and then you can see, all right, good. They're not getting that placeholder. They're getting the video of me over their website. So that's what you'll do there. So, okay, we got that set up in Smart Lead. The final step is just going to be connecting the automation. So the way to do this is actually going to be to create a new clay table. We're going to create a new clay table that uses a webhook to tell us that video is done generating and ready to send off. So let's go back here, and then my session expired. Oh no. Okay, so we'll do a new table. And then this time what we'll do is import data from a webhook. And you can just do a new table, and we'll use this webhook URL in Sendspark. So back in Sendspark, go to, my camera's blocking it, but you'll go to this webhook section and then do new webhook, we'll call it clay demo, and paste the URL in here. We're not totally done. Now that we've set up the webhook, you need to click on it and then link it to a dynamic video campaign. So we don't just want everyone that gets a video generated to go into Clay. We only want the people from that campaign. So just click on the campaign that you are using. I think it was, which one were we using? Too many demos. Okay, so it's this one, live Clay demo, and then click add dynamic video. So you'll know that it's all set up right. You want to have video created on, and then this live Clay demo here. And so now what's going to start happening once people get that video generated for them from that campaign, they're going to start appearing in this table for us. And if you just want to double check that that works, you can go back to the campaign and add some more context to it. So let's just do that really quick. Where is it? Okay, dynamic videos. We'll go back here. And it was this one. So it looks like we still have some. I'll just add myself really quick. Well, or I'll just add those because they look like they are in the process. Okay, so we'll get the contacts being created. They're going to start appearing in Clay. And then what we'll do, I don't think we can set it up yet, but the next step is going to be to add them into Smart Lead. So what we would do is add lead to a campaign in Smart Lead. And again, you need to connect and add your API key here, select your campaign, and then you would choose this email, which, yeah, we got to get some data in here. So let me go and actually try to make some more videos. We'll delete those. Stephanie. So I guess keep this in mind as you're testing that you got to get some data, which can take a minute. So, okay. Once you have at least one contact in here, we'll be able to see the data that's coming in from the webhook, which is what we need for the next step. And so for the next step, we're just going to push them into Smart Lead. So search for Smart Lead, and the one we want is add lead to campaign. So you can click on this enrichment, make sure, again, you're connected, you've added your API key, select the campaign you want to use, and the one field that's important to map is email. And we want to grab this specifically from the webhook because we want to make sure that we're connecting the right contact in Smart Lead to the right like video recipient in Sendspark. And that's how we're making sure that we're sending them the right video. So click contact email. You can send in any of the other fields if you want to have them in Smart Lead, like if you want to use them in variables, but the only one that we require is going to be that email. But, may as well do name too. So we'll do contact name. So, okay, we'll save this. We'll enroll, and then now we're sending that person into Smart Lead. So what happens now if we check Smart Lead again is we should see now this person is in Smart Lead. We can preview the video for them to make sure everything looks good. And then we can just turn this on. And now everything should be completely automated. So we're getting those videos created. When the videos are created, they get automatically enrolled in the sequence, and everything is smooth sailing from here. Definitely let us know if you have any questions, any feedback, anything we can help with. And thanks for using our integration. All right, cheers.